Maybe you need to connect to your STM32 device for some reason, but suddenly, the IDE asks you to update the firmware first. It's wrong here if you just press the update button and wait. This error will appear for sure. How to prevent this from happening? 1. Create a MyST account and log in. Your username is now listed here. 2. Connect your STM32 device to your PC's USB port. 3. Press the debug button again. And now comes the trick. 4. Press the update button and 5. Immediately press the reset button, located on your device's board. 6. Finally, the update button will be activated. Just press it and wait a bit. You should now be able to use the device as you initially intended. Here, I just wanted to run the debugging tool. And there you go. Please subscribe and thanks for watching.